Okay. So this is so last chapter we have continued this one. So if you see this from the beginning, so this is from the beginning. Okay. So we have seen this one all. So this is about the French society during the last 18th century. So we have seen this. So outbreak of revolt. This is the outbreak of revolt. So how the revolution was started. Okay. Next, these are the important dates. So we have seen all these things. This is the human rights and also the symbols. So political symbols during the time of revolution, French Revolution. Next, France abolishes monarchy and becomes a republic. So it is completely became as a republic. That means republic means what? So the head of the country or the state will be an elected person. Okay. So there will be no monarchy. There will be no king's rule. So that means it is a republic country. So who is going to be abolished here? That is mainly the Louis XVI. Okay. Next, so we have seen this one, Reign of Terror. Next, this is the possession. That means in those days, same like as Republic Day. So nowadays we are celebrating this Republic Day. Like that, in those days they are selecting this Bastille Day. Okay. So Bastille Day is nothing but just it is like the anniversary day for the country. Next, so we have seen all these things. So this is about the how this Persian women. So women also participated in the revolt. Okay, we have seen this one also. Next, yes. So last time we have seen this abolition of slavery. So last time I said that the France is having lot of agricultural lands when compared to total Europe. If you see these European countries in the Europe, so only this France is having the highest agricultural lands. So more number of agricultural lands are there, and in these lands we can see this so landlords. So landlords are more. Okay. So under these landlords, the slaves are working, the laborers. So laborers are mainly the slaves. So these slaves where they are brought means mainly from Asia and Africa continents. So from Asia and Africa continents, so these slaves are brought. Okay. So if you see here, so the European people are brought the slaves from Asia and Europe, and here on the other side, the European woman is dressing up the slave with a European dress. That means what here? So indirectly the Europeans, they are thinking that just they are getting the Africa and Asia people as slaves, but here in the Europe we are going to develop. Okay, we are going to dress up, or we are going to develop them with the civilization or civilized persons, like civilized persons, and they are wearing just only the blue cloth. Blue indicates what? So liberty. Liberty means nothing but freedom. Okay, so complete freedom from all pains, that is called as liberty. Okay, so here we have seen this also. So next, so Negroes that we have seen. So this one also last we have seen this one. So the revolution and everyday life. See here, revolution means so when the revolt was broke out, and what is the everyday life among the people. So here at the time of revolution, so even this women and children also suffered. with lack of food. So how they have suffered lack of food? Because it is the duty of the government. So government duty is to provide all basic needs. Okay, basic needs. But due to revolution, so government has completely neglected supplying of these food basic needs like that. So due to this one, so even these children and women also affected. Okay, so this is the daily life or everyday life during this revolution. So we have discussed this one also last time. Okay, so just yes, and in this one, so from here we have to discuss. See here. So what at the time of revolution, almost the women and children are suffering with lack of food and basic facilities. So apart from this media was there. So in those days, media was there. So media means which one? So now present day we have different types of media. Communications were there. But in those days, the best media is the churches. Okay, church priest. So church priest, they are telling about what are the politics are going on. Okay, like media. So mainly churches are playing as a vital role as a media. So here, even this media was completely controlled by the rulers. Okay, one side is the rulers, the other side is the revolutionary persons, mainly the Jacobin club. So Jacobin club was there. So here, so one side, so while they are civilizing the people, so completely here, the government officials, so they are disturbing. That means they are not at all making the priest or church fathers to tell about the politics and to tell about this civilization. Okay, so in this way, even this media was also disturbed. Wherever any congregations are there, any meetings are there by any churches like that. So mainly here, Europe is nothing but just all we can see this English nothing but all the Christians. We can see this the Christians. So mainly churches. So almost each and every churches are closed by the revolutionary persons as well as the rulers. Why the revolutionary persons also closed means sometimes these church fathers are going to support for rulers. That's why so the revolutionary persons are just they are not that means they are not allowing to the church fathers to tell about this politics going on in the Europe, that is in the France. And why these rulers are disturbing these fathers means mainly here sometimes some fathers are very similar. That means very familiar or very favorite to this ruler, that is revolutionary persons. So sometimes some church fathers will be against to the rulers. So that's why so both are disturbed by the media. Okay. So in this way here we can see this media. So here why they are wearing the black color means so black indicates the justice. Justice means what? So justice is nothing but the revolutionary persons. Okay. So revolutionary persons means so mainly the Jacobin club and also the common people. Okay, so all the common people, so they have started this revolution. So in this way, total media. So whatever the not only the churches, even this other any meetings are going on, any conferences are going on. So everything will be spoiled by the rulers as well as the revolutionary persons. Okay. So next, yes. So just to move forward. So here we can see this. So the patriotic fat reducing press. So this is anonymous print of 1976 to make the idea of justice tangible. So from this